like downhill.
Hey guys, today I'm going to be just doing a get ready with me video and also showing 5 holiday lip colors. This is the kit that I'm going to be using. This is the Colourpop, I believe it's the Foxy kit, and it comes with 5 mini liquid ultra matte lipsticks. And I'm not going to do a talk through version. I'm just going to like time lapse it and speed it up and just like leave the names of the lip colors like at the bottom. But yeah, I'm gonna just go ahead and get started. Hope you guys like the video and you like, comment, and subscribe. And also recently my brother just started his channel up. It's a gaming channel, so if you wanna check it out, that's what he be on. I'm gonna leave his name in the description box. And thank you so much. Bye.